Customer request. Image has been sized. We'll be using 10SS stones for the majority of the design, 6SS for finer, smaller details. For this design, I used a combination of copy-paste technique I talked about in previous videos and a macro for Corel, which allows me to create lines and curves and stone them automatically. It's not a one-click wonder. Stones have to still be moved around, but makes working on designs a lot faster. To avoid gaps, I play around with spacing a lot. Even when using a macro, stones have to still be manually manipulated. This is where the macro helps. I create lines and the macro automatically stones them, leaving even spaces. Need your logo turned into a rhinestone design? Message me with your reference image and design size for a quote. I offer great work, low prices, and fast turnaround times. All custom designs are compatible with silhouette and design space. Now that all the red and black stones are completed, I'll use 6SS for the smaller details. And now back to 10SS to fill in the rest of the design. Now changing colors and adjusting the final details. All done for quotes. Custom requests and flash sales, message me on Facebook. You can find me as Rhinestone Fashion.